how to pay with Venmo balance instead of bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can pay with Venmo balance instead of bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to pay with Venmo balance, first of all open up Venmo and make sure that you sign into your Venmo account, and you don't want to use your bank, so go to the Me option and go to the payment methods of your Venmo app. Once you go to the payment methods of your Venmo app, on the next page you can see pay or request, so you can tap on pay or request and you can simply choose to enter the name or the username if you want to pay to a certain person. So select that person you want to pay to. Once you do that, it's asks you to pay or request, so you can select them. You can choose to make it public or private. Then all you have to do is tap on the pay option and it will actually pay from your Venmo balance rather than basically using it. So when you now add your Venmo balance money, and after you add money to your Venmo balance, what happens is that you'll be able to go ahead and basically send with your Venmo balance next time instead of using a bank. This way you can pay with Venmo balance instead of bank. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.